Hello wonderful soulmates, and welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to treat how to use your bobbin winder attachment to wind your bobbin, that's to fill your bobbin thread. So I already have my bobbin here. Now this attachment that comes with your industrial machine is called the bobbin winder. It has the bobbin winder tension. This is the disc. This is the tension disc. Alright. And here is the bobbin winder spool. Here you attach the bobbin to fill it in. Then this is the engage compartment. You use this to engage, to say okay, I'm ready, then you start. Okay, so I'm just going to give us the instruction on how to go about it. Now if you check this compartment here, you can find out that we have the right hand spool tray, or you can call it thread spindle, and the left hand side thread spool tray. Okay, so the one at the left is for your sewing, that's to sew with the sewing machine, while the one for the right, you use it for your bobbin winder. So the first thing you want to do is to pass your thread. There's a thread guide here. There's a thread guide. You're going to pass it from that point towards you. Okay, I've passed my thread. Then the next thing, let's come closer. So after passing your thread towards you, you're going to come to the thread guide here. There's another thread guide here. You pass it. Depends on the bobbin winder compartment that you have. Some thread guide comes from the left, but mine is at the right. So whichever, pass your thread guide first. So after passing it, you want to take the thread in between the disc like that. So the thread should go from this other side, coming towards you at this side. All right. So after passing your thread at this compartment here, you're going to bring it towards you to the pin here. So you are going to attach your bobbin to the pin. So you click it into the pin. You take the thread. Make sure you have some amount left that can go around the bobbin about 5 to 6 times. So you're going to pull. So with this, I know it's firm. Then you're going to engage with this bobbin winder holder here. Okay, so when you notice, when you engage, the thread becomes slacky here. All right, so just hold on to the thread a little bit for now. Turn on your sewing machine. Then you're going to pedal. Then as you pedal, you notice the thread has gone in, then you can leave it. Then you start winding. So that's how you keep going until it is full. So this is one way you can fill in your bobbin thread. Okay, another method I like to use, or that one you can say is the local method, is this one. So in this case, I bring my thread to the floor, drop it on the floor, then bringing the thread upward towards me here. I'm going to feel my thread a little bit. So yeah, attach the thread to the bobbin, and I fix it into the pin. So mind me, the thread is supposed to come towards you this time around, facing you, facing the point where the thread is coming from. And you engage and you start. So this time around, your hands are going to be in control. This is the style I usually use. It's easier and quick. So your hand keeps controlling the thread until it's full. So if there's a bobbin holder here, feels the thread on it, you see it will disengage immediately. So just watch. It disengages by itself once the thread is full. And you see that. So the same thing applies in the other way. Once the thread is full, it disengages also. So this is number 2 method for me. So if you use an embroidery machine, there's a number 3 option. Okay, and it's up here. This is an embroidery 20U sewing machine. There's a 3rd option here for me. Okay, for the machine it's just 2 options, but for me it's 3 options. So this 3rd option, you just have to attach a click. So this one engages for you, but my bobbin is full, so it won't engage. Let me put another one. So you see it engages, you feel your bobbin, and it disengages when it's full. All right, so those are the 3 ways I can wind my bobbin. Thank you for staying in this class. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.